Hello friend, have you ever wondered why tires are always black in color? So if you see any vehicle, so the tires color is always black. So there is a very interesting reason behind the tire color. So we will discuss in this video why tires are always black in color and why it is necessary. So let's start. So the tire is always a black because of the addition of the carbon black. We use the carbon black to make the black color of the rubber. So the carbon black is nothing but the byproduct of incomplete combustion. So it is an incomplete combustion of fuel or wood, like that. So it is a very fine powder type, you can see powder type soot. So it is derived from soot, so it is like a fine powder carbon particles. We have the natural rubber and the synthetic rubber, so we will add the carbon black into the rubber and to make the black color. There are two types of rubbers. We have natural rubbers and the synthetic rubbers. So natural rubbers are we produce this one natural rubbers from the tree, naturally available sources, and synthetic rubbers are the man-made rubbers actually. So because with the chemical reaction, so we are producing these rubbers. So we'll add this one carbon black to form the black color of the rubber. So this carbon black is very harmful for the environment as well as for the health condition. But in the particular applications we will use the carbon blacks, okay, like in the industry. Soot means it is a small fine particle of the carbon particle, fine carbon particle. It's like a powder, okay. So this soot is collected and processed into carbon black. So carbon black it will process and some refinement they will do, and it will process in the carbon black. And generally this carbon black it is used in the tire to make the tire black, and ink and the coating. So now come to the point why we are adding the carbon black into the rubber. So there are number of benefits actually to add the carbon black into the rubber, like this carbon black improves the overall durability and the strength of the tire. And also these tires means this carbon black enhances the tire resistance to wear and abrasion. So as you know, the tires run on the road surface, it will generate the heat during the running conditions. So tire and the road surface, so in that there will be then friction. So because of the friction there will be the wearing of the outer surface and the abrasion of the outer surface. Carbon black helps the tire to resist that wear and abrasion, and it will overall it will extend the lifespan of the rubber. And one more important benefits of using the carbon black is the it will improve the thermal conductivity of the rubber, means it will improve the tire heat dissipation. Because of the friction between the road surface and the tires, the heat is generated. So carbon black distributed and dissipate the heat in overall area. It maintain the structural integrity and performance under various driving condition. So without a carbon black also we can produce the this tire or the rubber, but without carbon black tire would be not durable as much, not durable and not effective as much. Now, so how carbon black help for dissipation of heat? So this one is a very important. Carbon black, as I said, so in the several way it will dissipate the heat, like with the thermal conductivity. So as I said, so carbon black improves the thermal conductivity of rubber. So what is meant by thermal conductivity? So thermal conductivity is nothing but the amount of heat dissipate, means amount of heat conducted and transfer. So how much amount of heat is conducted from one place to like flowing. Dissipation is happen actually because of the friction between the road surface and the tire surface. so there will be friction and generating the heat inside the tire. So carbon black avoided the heat generated at the localized area, so it will distribute the heat throughout the area in the tire. Throughout the area in the tire, it will distribute it and dissipate it. Okay, this is the principle: distribute it and dissipate the heat, so that it will reducing the risk of overheating in a specific area. And next is the reinforcement means the strengthening the tires. So carbon black strengthening the tire. So by reinforcing the rubber, carbon black increases the tire overall strength and durability. So this reduces the deformation and the internal friction within the tire, therefore generating less heat during the use. And ultraviolet protection. So our vehicle in the sunlight, so it is an under the ultraviolet radiation actually. Carbon black protect the tire from the ultraviolet light degradation. So suppose our vehicle continuously exposed under the sunlight, okay, so there will be the degradation of the material. But this carbon black protect the tire from the ultraviolet light degradation. So ultraviolet exposure can cause the rubber to break down and leading to heat built up and reduces the structural integrity. So because of the continuously heat from outside, as we know in India, sometimes in summer it will hit the 48 degree, 50 degree even. So under this very hot condition, so our tire should be dissipate the heat, okay, and evenly distribute the heat throughout the area. So carbon black helps in that condition, and it will maintain the structural integrity by shielding the rubber from the ultraviolet rays. So carbon black helps to maintain the tire performance and heat management. It will work as a heat management. We are discussed completely why carbon black is important. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And I'm always thankful to you for watching this video. So thank you all. See you in the next video.